Hello and welcome to part 1 of my Bukkit plugin tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to take you through the steps necessary to create a Bukkit plugin. In this plugin we're going to create a basic plugin, just something to let us set the weather using a couple of commands. So first of all you're going to need to get the Bukkit API, so you need to go to dl.bukkit.org, go to alternate versions, go to Bukkit, and then get yourself the recommended build. I already have this, so I'm going to skip that step. Go into your Eclipse installation. If you don't already have that, you can get it from eclipse.org and create a new Java project. Call the Java project whatever you like. We're going to make a weather plugin in this, so I'm going to call mine weather plugin. Hit finish. Right click on your main plugin folder, go to new file, plugin.yml. Needs to be, every plugin needs this file and it needs to be all lowercase name. Let's close that for now. Also right click, build path, configure build path, add external jars, browse to wherever you put your Bukkit API that you downloaded, hit open, click the little downwards thing, go to the Java doc location. Mine's already set, but if it isn't, that's the address for the Java docs. I will put it in the description of the video for you to download, or for you to copy and paste into here. Just validate, okay, okay, and okay. And that's now set up. You need to create a new package. Call it whatever you like. I'm going to use the normal cut package name I use. And then add the plugin shortened name, so make a new class. It's going to be the main class for your plugin, which we'll refer to in the plugin.yaml later. So we're going to call this one weather C. Hit finish. Now we'll go to the plugin YAML and we'll set up some basic information in here. Name, which is actually we'll just call it weather change. Description lets you change the weather. Damn it, I saw it change wrong again. Version, this is required tag, and that's could be whatever version your plugin's up to. Main, this is also required, and it has to be your full package name and the name of the class without the .java extension. So for me it's we'll set up the commands while we're here. Remember, when we're doing the indent, which you need, we're not allowed to use tabs in a YAML file, otherwise the plugin won't work. We have to use spaces, and there's 4 spaces under the command block for the first command. There we go, and the first command is sun. And then another 4 spaces from under that, where we put description. Makes the sun shine! Exclamation mark. Usage / sun. We want a rain command. Makes it rain. Usage / rain. And add another one for storm, so There we go, they're the command setup. Commands goes level with everything else. Any other commands, as you add a command name, that's the one what players have to type in, it'll ignore the semicolon. It needs to be 4 spaces. Under that you need to indent 4 more spaces, so a total of 8 spaces, and put description and whatever the description is on that line under that at the same length of indent, usage, and then you go back 4 spaces to level with the first command, put your second command, and do the same for any commands that you need. I will post a link to a web page that will help you understand the YAML file more clearly and what everything does. Now go to your main class, the one you referred to as main in plugin.yaml, and this needs to be made so that it extends Java plugin. You need to import that. And for this video you can make the command executor class on a new class, or you can let this class implement it. For the sake of this video we're going to let this class implement it. So implements command executor. Import command executor. And hit save. Now right click, source, override implement methods. If I go down to on command, and we're going to import that. Just remove that, get rid of that. That goes out, neaten it all up a bit. And there we go. Pop that in there just to stop the error for a moment. Also, going to need public void on enable to register a few commands. So get command, and that is sun dot set executor. This, since we've made this class implement command executor. We do the same for our other 2 commands, so just copy and paste it simpler. Make that rain, and that one storm. Now we want if sender instance of player. Actually, how are we going to do this one? Are we going to have it make an announcement every time not changes the weather? No, let's not. So simply for this one, if command.getName.equals ignore case, you put the command in here, so sun, you don't need to use the /. We'll pop another one of those in. We'll just copy and paste it, be simpler. That's what copy and paste there for after all. Let's paste it in weird format, Command Shift, damn it, Command Shift F, change that to rain, and change that to storm, and then pop in else, you have to return false, return true, return true, now we need to this dot get server dot get worlds dot get in, or get this integer, we want 0 because we want to get world 0, and we want to do set storm, which means rain or snow, depending on what biome type you're in, to false. And we just copy and paste that for time saving sake. Just replace the ending with dot set thundering to false as well. Just copy and paste that into this one and this one. In the rain one, we want to set storm true, but leave thundering false. And in this one, these both need to be true. So it'll be stormy and thundering. And that's basically your plugin. This should now, don't do that, damn it. Right, this should now work when we export it. So just check I did everything in there correctly. Yep. Export jar file. You don't need those two, but you need to make sure you're exporting your plugin.yaml. Export that to my desktop. Yep, finish. Now we'll give it a quick test. You should all know how to create a Minecraft server and set it up and whatever. And if not, there's videos on YouTube on how to do that. It's enabled my plugin, so apparently it's working. I'll just give it a quick test. To Minecraft. Don't need that running. Mojang. Multiplayer. Join server. There'll be a little lag here, as I've got quite a bit of stuff running on my computer at the moment. But get out the snow biome. Actually, I can do it here. Rain, which of course if you're in a snow biome will make snow. Sun, should make the sun reveal. Yep, and we go somewhere where the storm will actually have an effect. Need to get out of this snow biome. If we wait around, we should hear some lightning eventually. Yeah. And then I will make it sunny. If you wanted to restrict this plugin so that only ops can use it, you'd need to, in these pieces, or in here, actually, in order for that to work, you'd need to, I'll go over this in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. This is part 1, and I will upload part 2 as soon as I get round to it.